Welcome. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? With our fully automated sign-up process, improving your credit score has never been easier. This new process is designed to save you time, eliminate complexity, and guide you step by step toward your credit goals. Whether you're starting fresh or looking for an effective way to address negative items on your report, we've got you covered. Did you know 1 in 4 Americans have bad credit? This can lead to high credit, loan, and mortgage rates that can cost you tens of thousands of dollars more than it should. The good news is we have created a program that can help almost anyone improve their scores and remove negative items that are holding you back. To get started, simply fill out your information below and generate your completely free credit analysis report. And remember, you're never alone in this journey. At any point, you can use our live chat to connect directly with a credit specialist for instant answers and guidance. Whether it's a simple question or you need assistance with the next step, help is just a click away. Let's get started on your journey to better credit today. Take the first step toward financial freedom with a process that's easy, automated, and designed just for you.